Hello, in this lesson, can we learn how to solve equations with fractional coefficients? Basically, a coefficient is the value put just before the unknown. So for example, in this equation, the coefficient is 3 over 4. And as you can see, it's a fraction. In this one, the coefficient is 5 over 6, which is also a fraction. In this one, it's 2 over 5. In this one is 7 over 8. In this one is 3 over 2. And in this one is 4 over 3. So all of them are fractions. So I want to show you two methods on how to approach these problems. And then from there, you can choose which is the easiest to use. So the first one is through using the LCM of the denominators. So let me first copy the equation like this one. Let's start with this one. So let me copy it in my board. So if we have an equation like this, the first thing is to check the denominators and find their LCM. And in this case, it is the denominators of all values. For example, 3 over 4, the denominator is 4. Then here the denominator is 2. And then on 5, I can put it like over 1 so that the denominator becomes 1. And since we know the LCM of 1 will have no impact, we can find the LCM of 4 and 2. So to find the LCM of 4 and 2, can just put it like this, and then put it like this, and I start dividing by 2. So if I divide 4 by 2, it will be 2, then divide 2 by these 2, it will be 1. Then I repeat again, divide 2 by 2 will be 1. Then also this one will be 1. So here, to find the LCM, you divide until you get all the values here to be 1, 1. Then after that, you multiply these values here, and that becomes the LCM. So in this case, it is 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. So the LCM of all of these denominators is 4. Then I will pick this 4 and divide by this 4, and now I get 1. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1, then multiplied by this 3. So it is 4 divided by 4, which is 1, multiplied by 3, which is 3, but we add x, so it will be 3x, like that. Then minus, I get again this 4, which is the LCM, divided by 2, which is 2, then multiplied by 1, which is 2. Is equals to, I can just put 5 like that. Then this becomes 3x all over 4 minus 2 all over 4 is equals to 5, like this. Then from there, I can move this 1 to the other side, and then it becomes 3 over 4x is equals to 5. Then because this one was negative, 2 over 4, I can move it the other side and it becomes plus 2 over 4. But you see 2 over 4, we put it here, 2 over 4 can just be equal to by 2, 1, by 2, 2. So it can be a half. So I can just put it here to be a half. So now we do have 3 over 4x is equals to 5 plus half. 5 plus half, it will be 5 and half, like this. And then once I change this to improper fraction, it will be 3 over 4x is equals to 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10, plus 1, which is 11, all over 2, like this. So to eliminate this denominator, I can multiply here by 2, and I can also multiply here by 2. So it becomes, this one goes with this one, and this one goes, and this one remains to be 2. So it remains to be 3 over 2x is equals to 11, like that. But then, my final answer, I want to have x only. So, to do so, I can also again multiply here by 2 and here by 2 to eliminate these 2. So, this goes with this, and I remain with 3x is equals to 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. Then, to get x, I can divide both sides by 3. So if I divide by 3 here, it will be 3 over 3, which is 1. So remains x is equals to 22 over 3, like that. And that becomes the solution of this question. With the same question, I want us to use a different formula to solve it. So, this next formula, I want us to take these denominators and multiply them. I'll take 4 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 1. So it is 4 by 2 by 1, which is 4 by 2 is 8 by 1 is 8. So the denominators, if you multiply them, you will get 8. Then, in all instances here, I will multiply them with 8. So for example, 3 over 4x, but now multiplied by 8. Let me put that 8 there, then minus half, but now multiplied by 8 is equals to 5 over 1, but now multiplied by 8, like that. Then here, I'll cancel this 4 by 1. This one becomes by 8, 2, by 4, 1, by 4, 2. So it becomes 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6x, like that, minus this by 2, 1, by 2, 4. So it becomes minus 4, which is equals to 5. This one divided by 1 divided by 8 is 8, so 8 by 5 is 40, like that. So it becomes 6x minus 4 is equals to 40. But the first thing you note here is that this is 4, so I can take it on the other side, and it becomes 6x is equals to 40 plus 4, which now becomes 6x is equals to 44. So x becomes 44 divided by 6, like that. So we can divide this by 2, which now becomes 22, and then we can divide this by 2, which becomes 3. And I think in the previous method, we also got 22 over 3. So those you can use either of these methods to solve these kind of questions. Can we try another example? In this one, I want us to use the third formula for multiplication of denominators. We can use the LCM one if you so want. But now, here I can put this 4 over 1. Then I take 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So I can get 6 by 3 by 1, which is 18. Then I'll multiply each of these numbers with 18. So the first one will be 5 over 6, and now multiplied by 18, then plus 1 over 3, but now multiplied by 18, then is equals to 4 over 1, then multiplied by 18, like this. So it becomes by 6, 1, don't forget here we have x, so by 6, 1, by 6, 3, so 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, that we have x, so it's 15x, plus 1 over 3, which this 3 can go on by 3, 1, by 3, 6, plus 6 is equals to 4 by 18, which is 72, and I can say 15x is equals, I take this 6 on the other side, so it becomes 72 minus 6, so becomes 15x is equals to 72 minus 6 is 66. Then x now becomes 66 divided by 15 like that, which is again divided by 3 to get 5, right? And then by 3 to get 2. So I can divide that to get 22 over 5. And that becomes the improper fraction in this equation. We can change it to mixed fraction. And now for now, we can leave it like this. Can we try the last example? I want you to try question 3 and 4. Then I will solve question 5. So it is 4 over 3x plus 2 over 9 is equals to. So as usual, I will start by multiplying the denominators, which is 3 by 9 by 1 and 3 by 9 by 1 is equals to 27. Then this 27, we multiply each of these values with 27. So I can start with 27 into 4 over 3x like that, plus 27 into 2 over 9, then is equals to 6 multiplied by 27, like that. So it becomes 27 by 3, this one is 3 by 3, 1 by 3, 9, then 9 by 4 is 36, so that is 6x, plus 27 divided by 9 is 3, so by 9, 1 by 9, 3, but 3 by 2 is 6, is equals to 6 multiplied by 27, 162, so it becomes 36x is equals to 162 minus 6, which now becomes 156. So that 6x is equals to 156. So x becomes 156 divided by 36. Like that. We can simplify this a bit, where we say x is equals to 156 can be divided by 12 to get 13, and then 36 can be divided by 12 to get 3. So we can just leave it like this, or we can put it as an improper, as a mixed fraction. We have 4, 1 over 3, because 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, like that. So can you try the remaining examples to see if you have understood the concept? And you can leave any comment, question on the comment section, so that if you have any question, I can help you. Bye for now. Let's meet in the next lesson.